I'm Egle from Estonia, Tallinn. I am one of the biggest female sellers in Estonia.
Why did you decide to come to this event?
Networking is so important. Our industry is very young. There's not like too many people doing it. Like most of the people in this, if you just talk on the street, they don't even know about what we do. It's so new. You can't even study it anywhere like in an official, like a school set. So I find that getting new friends from my own professional community just giving back to me so much as new friends, as somebody to talk to. It doesn't matter if you're talking to a beginner or talking to like a 7-8 figure seller. Things are changing really fast. You could actually learn a lot from the beginners because they're just, in an active learning phase. So anybody I talk to, I learn something. And there's quite many service providers here as well. And it's really valuable to talk to all of them as well because they have data, they have comparisons. I actually cannot pinpoint anybody because everybody has been very beneficial for me.
Could you describe this event in one sentence?
Event is more fun than I would ever thought it would be. And the funness comes from, the content is really point on. It has a lot of practical value, but the networking in the coffee breaks, lunch breaks, and in the evening parts, I think it's like cherry on top. I enjoy every minute. I know we are sometimes a little bit shy crowd. I know like big sellers who really don't go out, they don't get new professional friends. I think it's a mistake. I think it's so fun to have more people who really understand what to do. So please don't be shy, don't stay to your homes. We're working from home a lot. Come out, let's become friends. That's really good for both of us.